Hi guys, in this video we'll be reviewing the Glob's sticky balls review. Either they are legit or scam. So as you can see, first of all, this product is listed on the Amazon and the overall rating of this product is 2.0, which is a kind of major red flag for any product to be a scam. So as you can see, 17% 5-star and 6% 4, and majority of the votes, like 63%, falls into 1-star rating. And we can also read the reviews of and comments of the people which people commented. So let's scroll down a little bit, and here we will see, like, this is the rating 2 out of 5. And talking about the customer reviews, here you can see 1-star waste of money. This product does not work at all. It does not stick to the wall. It just hits the wall and falls on the floor and collects dirt. And the second review, absolutely rubbish. And one review also positive, this might be paid. And the next one, these do not work, false advertising, not exactly what I thought, and awful, just a rubbish bowl. So as you can read, many of the, like, majority of the people are rating on like 1-star, and this is the major red flag for any product to be scam. So save your money and save yourself and save your time, and do not fall for these traps if you are seeing these balls or any kind of products on the ad. So make sure to save yourself from them. And this is my honest review on the Glob's balls. Either they are scamming or legit.